Man, I think there's some sand in my earplugs. I hear them. Ah, they're there.
Consciousness at all?
Nothing at all.
Okay, great. That's good news. Well, we're gonna get you out of here. You are in a pretty safe situation. We have a team of really great medically trained people. This Blackhawk is gonna hang around, and that's how we're gonna transport you back to town to the hospital, okay? But we are gonna need to load you up in this litter. That's the safest way to get you in the machine. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna do a quick little check of the rest of your body, if that works.
Yeah.
And tell me when something hurts. So
just be careful down towards the lower area here. I'm starting to feel pain there.
Right there? Okay. And can you wiggle your toes at all for me?
A tiny bit, but not really.
A tiny bit, but not really? Okay, well that's better than nothing.
Good.
I'm just gonna gonna clear. I'm just gonna quick check your head. Am I noticing any blood or
Nothing at all.
Since you got thrown out of a boat, I just want to make extra sure you don't have anything. And can
All
you
clear.
squeeze both my hands? Great, great. And how about this toe? How's this feeling?
It's
Okay,
good.
that one works, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we have a lower. This ankle is injured. I don't know if we want to spend any time splinting it, or if we just want to get him in there.
Nope.
Okay. The point is to just practice getting in and out, so we're just gonna practice getting you in and out of the helicopter. If
Yeah.
that works.
And I think I have 3 extremities that work, so I can help you guys.
Great.
I would assume.
So let's scoochie this real nice and close to
Do
you.
you want to be in the bag or on top of the bag?
I think I'm pretty layered up or prepared for a very wet morning, so out of the bag's probably good.
Okay.
You
sounds good.
feel warm?
Yeah.
Okay. And you've been warm this whole time? You
Oh,
haven't
yeah.
gotten cold at all?
Yeah.
So I am gonna stabilize your ankle.
Okay.
And these guys are gonna help you get in.
Okay. I'll come up with a plan here.
Yeah, they might be. Hold on to your leg here. Okay.
Feels good.
And then whenever you're ready.
I'm ready whenever. What do you want me to do?
I want you to scoot your butt in first,
Okay.
lifting yourself up, and if you need help,
Get it, Sandy.
okay, and then try to center yourself before you get too comfortable there. There we go, and then we're just gonna lie this
Oh, is that a
down.
pillow?
Excellent.
Wow.
How does that feel?
We're not messing around.
You feel comfy and
It's so comfy.
well situated?
That one
Great.
comes up here, doesn't
Oh.
it? Crisscross.
Yeah.
Crisscross. All right. Under overarms here.
Let's go under.
Under. Yeah.
Oh, you want to go under it?
Yeah, he doesn't need to
Even
be
breathe.
Okay.
trained.
Sorry, I can't see this.
And is this too tight that it's uncomfortable?
Nope. Feel secure.
Great.
And then,
Did we do a radio check with them?
yeah, we got
Yeah.
medium comments.
Okay.
Yep.
I can try and get him.
I need to find my. Oh, there.
David Schuyler.
For his pack, you could try sticking it under his legs, or just one of us carries it on the front.
I'll carry it.
David Schuyler.
You got comms with him. You were talking with him.
Yeah.
You try.
What's his name? Dave?
David.
David, this is Scott. Anna. We're ready for pickup.
I think that's the problem is we're not getting there.
So you have ear pro, you have some nice eye pro, you have a helmet on. That all looks good. Have you ever flown in a helicopter before?
I have, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever flown in a big military helicopter like this before?
No.
Okay. It's gonna be loud. There's gonna be quite a bit of rotor wash when we walk you up. So your eye pro should help you out pretty much with that, but feel free to cover your face as you need to.
Okay.